Hi, we're Daires and Akilah Grant of DIY Power Couple.
And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Here you'll find DIY inspirations for your next home improvement project.
In this video, we'll show you how we updated our old blinds and the first time we ordered custom faux wood plantation blinds online. They were delivered right to our door, and we'll show you the adventure we had when we installed them. We're also going to share the pros and cons of this DIY project, so stay tuned till the end to see the final result.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember,
You can DIY too.
This DIY project was a part of our kitchen makeover. We didn't find any window coverings that we liked at our local home improvement store.
I heard this advertisement while driving in the car, and I called you and I said, "Hey babe, we should check this out."
We were pleased to find so many affordable options and detailed information on how to install blinds ourselves.
We ended up finding something we both thought would work in our kitchen.
The reps at blindster.com were so helpful. They walked us through the process of how to measure our window frame.
It's important to take measurements at the top, middle, and bottom. Once you send in your customized measurements, it doesn't take too long for the boxes to arrive at your front door. One thing we had to do was lay out all the pieces and hardware to build the frame. We only needed 3 tools for this project: a screwdriver, a power drill, and a tape measure.
This is another DIY project we did at night while the kids were asleep.
Putting the frame together was pretty straightforward.
All the pieces were labeled, and we probably should have paid a little more attention to what they said.
We had a slight issue with the plastic lock holding the corners together, but after putting a little bit of muscle on it, they clamped together.
This really is a two-person job. You were able to put the frame up by yourself because you are tall with long arms.
This was an inside mount shutter installation, so we had to screw the frame to the inside of the window.
Ooh, sorry for the rough zooms. I was still learning that camera.
We learned it's best to lay large boxes on the floor when opening them to avoid things falling out.
We really liked how nice the faux wood looked. Even though each piece was labeled, this is where it got a little tricky.
I'm trying to figure out which way this thing goes. Because the shutters are symmetrical and look the same on both sides, at first we made the mistake of installing them upside down and on the wrong side.
We realized something was wrong when the two panels wouldn't close correctly and the blinds folded upwards.
The good thing about DIY is that you can make mistakes and you can fix them.
If you're thinking about purchasing customized blinds online, consider these pros and cons.
Despite our little adventure, overall we thought it was an easy install. We liked the fact that the parts in the shutters were easy to handle.
These faux wood plantation blinds are easy to clean and a great update to our kitchen eating area.
Overall, the experience of ordering customized blinds online was a good one.
If you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.